Hey friends, if the auto threader on your sewing machine is just not pulling the thread through the eye of the needle like this, keep watching as you may find out the reason why. Let me first show you how the auto threader on consumer sewing machine works and you will know what to look out for. Raise your needle to the highest position, pull down the auto threader, loop the thread under and around the first hook, then under the second and third hook. Release the lever and the lever will spring backwards and thread the needle. Were you able to see the second hook? Let's look up close. The second hook goes through the eye of the needle. It's right here. After the first hook, the thread goes under the tiny second hook, then the third hook. And when we release the auto threader, that tiny second hook pulls the thread through the eye of the needle. That's how it works. So if your auto threader is not working, the chances are the tiny second hook is not going through the eye of the needle. That tiny second hook could have been bent or not placed in position. But the key is for the auto threader to work, the tiny second hook has got to go into the eye of the needle. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.